Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check the firmware of your receiver or any other receiver information using FieldGenius. So I have already connected up to my receiver, and I'm just on my map screen here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the gear icon in the top right corner to go into my instrument settings profile. Within my profile, I'm going to click on the three dots to the right of my receiver name. You can see here I get all kinds of information about my receiver, including the firmware, my battery levels, hardware and firmware versions, all of that kind of stuff. And you can use this to check what the current version of your firmware is. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you check the firmware or receiver information using FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything else you've seen on this YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.